Houdoe! Good morning on this sixth and final day of my trip. Here's my little tent. So that was an okay campsite. It costed 18 euros, which was quite some more than the 7 euros I paid for the campsite the night before, but that was a camping municipal and this was a private camping. Still, it was very pleasant, so it was worth the 18 euros. Yeah, let's finish the total tour today, but let's do enjoy this last part as well. Houdoe! Back on the route again along the Canal de Nivernais. Onto a bakery. Perhaps I might even treat myself on a coffee again this morning if the possibility is there. And after that, continue to Auxerre. Good morning. I checked the map and there actually is a boulangerie right here in this village of Brienon. So I have to leave the canal here and go into town for a few hundred meters, and then I hope I can buy some nice croissants and a coffee. In the meantime, I see also here that the Camino to Santiago de Compostela is here, and one of the major places along that Camino is Velo. I've been there many years ago and it's a really beautiful place. Okay, on to the boulangerie. And there's the Yonne again. And what a pretty little town this is again. So many pretty towns in this area. Brienon. La Maison de Baune from the year 1328. Wow. So this is actually a nice place to prepare my late second breakfast and lunch for later today. Yeah, I got myself a real baguette from the bakery and the camembert from the épicerie, and also a croissant for right now. So let's fix my sandwich. Unfortunately, no coffee at the bakery, so lovely. Now let's get this onto that. So glad I stopped at that village. It was really pretty. Yeah, so with the croissant and half a baguette with camembert, my tummy, we can continue to push north to Auxerre. Kermit. Also not too shabby. A nice chateau. The Basilique of Auxerre. Bienvenue à Auxerre. Nice. Yeah, I think we're going to town just to have a look at the basilique, right? Très joli. So yeah, that was Auxerre. That looked really nice. Yeah, and I just checked the stats. So I've done 40 kilometers so far. It is 1:45. I just also saw that it's another 23 kilometers to the official starting point and therefore ending point of this circle. And from there I think it's about 10 more kilometers to the place where my car is. So for me it's yeah, about 1.5 hours of riding. Yeah, with some lunch stop. I should say that in about 2 hours, so before 3 o'clock I should be at my car. See you on the road. Houdoe! It starts to rain a little bit while crossing or going under the A6 motorway, the one we passed earlier on the day number 2, the highway between Paris and the south. So it looks like we're going to reach the official starting point and finish of the Tour de Bourgogne. Let's see if there's any signage or something. Curious. 129. Final kilometers of the trip. Shall we do the recap now? Let's give it a shot. Yeah, I was in somewhat of a strange state of mind when I started this tour. It also was decided upon at a very late moment in time. Still, I'm really happy that I did it. Yeah, day one was summer, just at first ride in the afternoon, then a full day or almost full day of rain, which wasn't too bad, wasn't really that cold. Then the second day some rain and some sunshine, but yeah, the rain in the end was a bit scary because of the lightning, but it all worked out. And the days after that were really perfect. Yeah, the day in the wine region around Baune, then I was in a somewhat less energy, strange state of mind, couldn't really enjoy it. Well, it was really beautiful, but also the day after that, when I actually rode through the countryside in the Bourgogne with a lot of steep climbs, that was really a lovely day, and I was feeling much better, had much more energy. Bonjour. Yeah, and the final 2 days along the canal again, also great. So I can recommend it really to everyone. Yeah, the pieces along the side of the canal are really easy. Anyone can do that, and you just have to decide how many kilometers you want to do in the day. Then the region around Baune, that stretch, yeah, some steep climbs, but it's never really long. So yeah, you can also walk up those climbs, and it's not that they go on forever. Strava said that out of the total of 660 kilometers, there were 20 climbs in total. And I think, yeah, most of them you witnessed on this videos. So I really can recommend this Tour de Bourgogne. Yeah, especially also from Germany, from Belgium, from the Netherlands. It's a really relatively short drive. From the UK, I don't know how long it takes, but yeah, if you're looking for a week's or a 10-day tour with good facilities, great views, and great cycling, then this is your tour. See you on the next one, and enjoy the last few shots of this tour until I reach my car. Houdoe, and please subscribe. Op de valreep, please subscribe to the channel if you like this my content, because that really helps to grow the channel. Houdoe. And then in the final kilometers it starts to rain again, and now, yeah, pretty big drops. And the rain already stopped again. So one last time, houdoe! Is dat nou Ed of Willem Bever?